Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. So today I'm going to show you how to create this top ceiling and then this ceiling link together. Alright, let's get into it. First you open your house, okay, you do your own measurement, right? Next, come to here, custom, go to ceiling mode, okay, select ceiling and double click on the wall. Okay, next I'm going to draw a rectangle. Okay, so my size should be around, let me see, okay, 4,200. Oops. This one is 4,200. This is 2,100. Okay, let's do like this. Okay, then right click, center align. Okay, this I put 100. So later the top part I can create already. Alright. Then off the wall, this one 100. Okay, then see the second part here quite curvy, right? Okay, so chamfer. Okay, press edit, untick it. Okay, select bottom and left and right because I cannot select two, so select one by one first. Outer filler, radius 300. Okay, you got something like this. And this also outer filler. Okay, now here my mouse outer filler 300. Okay, then you got the shape already, right? Okay, next we're going to generate before we generate light. Okay, I do for the top part also first. Okay, so we go this time we go ceiling, double click it. Okay, if not just click here, ceiling mode, ceiling design. Okay, so same rectangle. Okay, okay, so this time this one is 5,000. Okay, this one 4,200. Yeah, 4,200. Okay, right click, center align. So it's center align already. Right, this one off 100. Okay, let's see, this is 300. Why not? Wrong already, wrong already. Okay, wrong already. Okay, draw rectangle like that. Okay, see not correct not? Okay, so from here 4,200. This one is 5,000. Cannot. Okay, wrong side. 5,000, 4,200. Okay, now center align. Okay, like this. Okay, and this one off the 100, so 2,700. Okay, this off the wall 200. Yep, they correct already. So if you're worried about intercept, so just reduce a little bit more for 180. Oops, for 180. Okay, if you worry about the intercept lah, if you no worries, then it's actually is fine lah. Okay, 490 also can. Alright, so now we proceed to continue. So for this one case, right, you need the site have generate light. Okay, so I select the site. Okay, generate light. Select the site, generate light. Okay, so this one I generate my light already. Okay, so next I'm going to do for the other one also. So I press return. Okay, for this one, same thing, but this time generate like this, generate light like this. Okay, see from here. Okay, then you generate light from here. Generate light. Okay, generate light, generate light. Okay, generate light. So now select right, generate light. Yep. So until you finish everything lah. Okay, and you got your side also got light already lah. Then next this one. Why I never this one? I need to edit. I'm not gonna put light because I'm gonna edit it. Okay, edit. I'm gonna use this one. Wooden line. Put here the lower. Appear not. Okay, I rotate 100 or not. Or it's on top. Oh. So since it's on top, come down 200. Edit selection. This one, sorry, this one. Edit selection. See or not, cannot. Okay, cannot, then go come down again one more time, 300. There. Then select this one, edit, rotate. There. Okay. Once you've got all the shape done already, return. Okay. Put color. So I'm going to use material. Okay, everything gray lah. Okay, then I will render to show you guys the result. Okay, let's start render. Okay, end result will look something like this. So the curve part is here. If you don't want, you can just remove this as your lighting lah. If you don't want that border. Okay, so more look like this already lah. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, remember hit the like button and subscribe.